Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. I am Rosco, and this is the Sondors Metacycle. The number one complaint with the Sondors Metacycle is that the seat is horribly uncomfortable, and they're not wrong. The seat is uncomfortable, but hopefully this new seat from Corbin will change all that. So in this video, we're going to show you how to remove the seat from the Metacycle, and we're going to install the Corbin seat, and we're going to test it out and see how it rides.
When I unboxed the new seat from Corbin, I found that it was packaged really well. Mine arrived without any damage at all. When I ordered my seat, I decided to go with the black with the light silver stitching. I thought that would match the naked silver Metacycle really well, and I was right, it does match. Removing the seat's easier than you might think. There are two screws holding it down in the front underneath the seat on this little cavity inside here. It takes an Allen wrench to loosen those up. You just need the right size Allen wrench. Once you break them loose, you can get them out with your fingers. Now you need to save the screws because we're going to reuse the screws with the new seat. With the screws out of the front, the seat kind of slides forward because it's hooked on the back with hooks. So kind of wiggle it and slide it forward, and it'll pop right off of there. Comparing the new seat to the old seat, there is a huge difference in width. It is hard to believe that it is not going to be more comfortable. My fiance and I ride doubles, so I'm really excited to try this out with two people on there because the old seat was real tight with two people. The new seat will attach the same way. It has these little hooks in the back. They look a little bit different than the ones on the original seats, so hopefully they fit like they should. Let's give it a try. To get the hooks on the rear part of the seat to connect on mine, I'm not sure if this is accurate for everybody, but when I took off the original seat, the places where the back hooks go in were mounted like this, and I've got to change them, flip them a little bit so that they're like this, so that there's something for that hook on the back of the seat to grab onto. So I flipped mine like that. I'm not sure if this is accurate for everybody, but I think it needs to be like that in order to connect the seat. You know, it should go on just like the old one came off. Set it back a little ways and slide it forward. The back hooks will grab on to those little pegs, and then we'll screw the front down. Here's a look at the bike once we have the seat on there. I'm really kind of digging the look. I'm excited to go try it out. With it being twice as wide as the original one, I cannot imagine that it will not be more comfortable. But let's go ahead and take it out, and we'll take it for a spin, and we'll see how it feels. God, that is so much better. Okay, we just rode 25 miles with both of us on here together, and the seat is way better than the old one. Like night and day difference. Like it's worth every penny. Did you like it?
I did. It definitely, there's way more space on the back and it's way more cushiony.
So if you're interested in riding doubles like we do, then I'll put a link right up here to our video where I built the passenger pegs for this. Overall, we're really excited with the Corbin seat. I will put a link for the seat down below in the description of the video. We're not affiliated with Corbin in any way, but we'll put a link for it down there to make it a little bit easier to find. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.